What's good, YouTube? It's your boy rckstartrey. Before we get into this video, I just want to say, make sure y'all start watching my live streams. I be going live. I be doing giveaways on my live streams, y'all. Cash App giveaways. Y'all gotta have Cash App. And y'all gotta be subscribed. But I be doing giveaways, y'all. So make sure y'all start watching my live streams. But yo, today I'm gonna teach y'all how to sleep with y'all 2-strand twists. You know what I'm saying? Cause some of y'all be getting y'all hair done. Y'all be going to sleep. Y'all be waking up and it's already messed up. So I'm finna go ahead and show y'all how to fix that right now. It's easy, y'all. You just take a do-rag. You know what I'm saying? Or you could take or you can have a bonnet, but we gonna use a do-rag for this one. So yeah, you take your do-rag. Now if you got like thick, if you got longer hair, a lot more hair, usually I'll just take the 2 strings and just tie them back like I'm tying my shoes or something, and just tie them like this. If you got like a lot of hair though, if you got like them little baby worm twists, you got them little baby worm twists, you can't do this way. You know what I'm saying? This really for the long hair, you know what I'm saying? The long hair, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, just go to sleep like this. Your roots are protected. This part shouldn't mess up that much unless you just laying on your hair, just like messing it up. But probably want to sleep on your back because y'all got this back flap, so it protects the hair. So yeah, if you got the little baby worm twist, you know what I'm saying? The starter, you just starting off. You can still use the do-rag, but you gotta do it. You gotta tie it like this. Take the strings. You can flatten the strings out if you want to, or flaps, whatever. You can flatten them out, but you don't have to if you don't want to. But so yeah, you take the strings. And sometimes this can take practice. I ain't gonna lie. But I've been doing this since I was a little kid, so.
Fuck. What the fuck?
Back in the bald head days, the baldy days. Yeah, and then you wanna do the same, just tie it in the back like you told me.